नमस्कार, स्वागत है आप सभी का कॉम्पिटिटिव इंग्लिश ट्यूटोरियल के यूट्यूब चैनल पर और मैं हूं सतीश कुमार मिश्रा। बहुत सारे अभिभावकों को कॉल आ रहे हैं कि सर यूट्यूब पर आपका वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है और अभी तक बहुत सारे लोगों ने डाल दिया। तो थोड़ा सा मैं जल्दबाजी में कोई भी काम नहीं करता हूं। मैं निश्चिंत होकर के और सही तरीके से जब अपनी स्थिति को अनुकूल पाता हूं तभी कोई भी वीडियो बनाता हूं ताकि वो ऑथेंटिक हो। तो अभी जो सीरीज चल रही है आरएमएस का जो भी एंट्रेंस टेस्ट हुआ है 17-12 को, उसमें मैं ऑलरेडी मैथ्स, इंग्लिश और रीजनिंग का वीडियो अपलोड कर चुका हूँ। ये जो वीडियो है वो जीके का है। जीके का इसमें पूरा डिटेल डिस्कशन आपको मिलेगा। तो चलिए हम इसको डिस्कस करने के लिए आपको लिए चलता हूँ अपने कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर। ये आपके सामने क्वेश्चन है जनरल नॉलेज का। तो इसमें जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है वन बाय वन मैं इसमें आपको सारे क्वेश्चन का डिटेल बताते हुए और लेकर के चलता हूं यहाँ पर। तो चलिए हम लोग अब इसको यस, पहला जो क्वेश्चन है द डीपेस्ट लेक इन द वर्ल्ड इज, इसका ऑप्शन होगा डी। नेक्स्ट है इनमें से कौन पृथ्वी के वायुमंडल को बनाने वाले 5 परतों का हिस्सा नहीं है, यानी विच ऑफ दीज इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द 5 लेयर्स दैट फॉर्म अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर। ऑप्शन होगा डी, हाइड्रोस्फीयर। नेक्स्ट the next question is Usain Bolt, who created a new world record in 100 meters race, is a citizen of Jamaica. He is the citizen of Jamaica. Yes, ये डी होगा ऑप्शन। Again, in which state Malayalam language is spoken? This is the correct answer is Kerala. Who was the first human to go to space? The question number 55 option is Yuri Gagarin. The next is here is the option. Yes. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? And option is A, Brazil. 57. Gateway of India is situated at Mumbai. 57. 58. Which of the following is not a scheduled language of India? The answer is Mundari. This is not the scheduled language of India. Next question. Mother's Day. On which day Mother's Day is celebrated? The correct option is second Sunday of May. This is the correct answer. Yes. Which is the largest continent? Option is B. The next question is who was the president of India at the time of emergency? 61. And the answer is C. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. 62. Which city is called the Queen of Arabian Sea? And the answer is C. Kochi. 63. Study of the universe is known as. And the correct option is B. Dash is considered as father of Indian space program. And many students have checked the answer Homi J. Bhabha. But the accurate answer is D. Vikram Sarabhai. 1 घंटा कितने सेकंड का होता है? The correct option is 36 seconds. Now, the next question. Sixty-six. We have to go at the 66. Who was the first person to give the idea of constitution of? This is M.N. Roy. मैक्सिमम बच्चों ने मारा है डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर. 67. Who was the president of France during G20 summit at New Delhi in September 2023? And that is the answer. Correct answer is B. Emmanuel Macron. 68. The question is, on what day the world's population day is observed? The exact answer is 68 B. 11th July. NRI का अर्थ means non-resident Indian. Option is B. And again, move to the answer question. Who was the first woman IPS officer? Option is Kiran Bedi. 70. Next question. 71. Which of the state has the largest area of forest cover in India? And the correct answer is C. Largest area of forest cover in India, and the answer is C. International Yoga Day. Answer is A. 72. Now, the next question is, name the brightest planet in the solar system, and the option is B. Again, the next question. Here is the next question, and that is 74. Yes. Dayanand Saraswati was the founder of the following missions, and the option is A. Arya Samaj. 75. The capital of India, New Delhi. 75 C. 76. Which among the following cities in India is not located in Golden Quadrilateral Road Network? And the correct answer is D. Chandigarh. 77. The President of India is the head of the government of India, and the correct answer is B. Again, ringworm is a disease caused by, and the option is D. फंगल. विश्व का सबसे बड़ा मददगार महासागर कौन सा है? एंड दैट इज द आंसर सी 79. फ्रांस which what is the name of the famous tower in Paris, France? And that is A. Eiffel Tower. Which color symbolizes peace? And that is the option D. White. Next question is PV Sindhu किस खेल से जुड़ी है? And the option is A. 82. Where is Gir National Park situated? And the option is C. Gujarat. Now we come to the question here, and that question is 84. And this is the option. Here is the option. Cataract is the disease of A. 84A. Next, what does vitamin K deficiency lead to? And the correct option is B. Problem in blood coagulation. निम्नलिखित वैज्ञानिकों में से 2 नोबेल पुरस्कार जिनमें से किसी एक को शांति से था. Here, who among the following scientists got 2 Nobel prizes, of which one was in peace? And the option is C. Linus Pauling. Which is the largest civilization in the world? And the option is B. Indus Valley civilization. Next, again, नेम द लार्जेस्ट रिवर इन द वर्ल्ड. यहाँ कंफ्यूजन है बहुत सारे बच्चों को, लार्जेस्ट रिवर और लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर. लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर अगर कहे तो नील होगा, लार्जेस्ट रिवर जो है वो अमेजोन होगा. आंसर इज बी. भारत के सर्वोच्च व्हाट इज द एज ऑफ रिटायरमेंट ऑफ ए जज ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया? 89. 89 and the correct option is D. 65 years. The science of drawing map is called, and that is called cartography. Ajanta paintings are related to, and the option is D. Bodh Dharma. 92. The Lingaraj temple built during the medieval period is located at, and the option is Bhubaneswar. Next, Bangladesh. By which name the main branch of river Ganga is known in Bangladesh? And that is the option B. Padma. Again, here is the 94 question, and 94. Earth rotates along. The option is C. From west to east. 95. Bandipur National Park is located in which state? And the option is D. Karnataka. Agra is situated on the river of, option D. Yamuna. Rabindranath Tagore, what is the nickname of Rabindranath Tagore? Gurudev. B. And 98. The age of a tree can be determined by the measuring its, counting the annual growth rings of its stem. Option is D. And next, 99. Dibrugarh is located in which state? And the option is A. Who is the founder of Microsoft? And the option is C. बिल गेट्स। तो ये रहा जीके का सही जवाब। आप इसके माध्यम से देख करके अपने आंसर का मिलान करें, चेक करें, एंड आई होप कि आप अपना जो कमजोर है उसको मजबूत कीजिए, ताकि आने वाले समय में नए सैनिक स्कूल का अभी एग्जाम आना बाकी है, तो उसमें ये जीके भी काम आ सकता है। थैंक यू।